In a few days, I see the true dedication of Sheiamn for the environmental protection and for the sustainable growth. We see a lot of things. We see the mangrove park, we see the used water treatment, and also the New City. Everything was wonderfully integrated into a natural environment. It was so beautiful. I think it's very important because there the ecology and the economy are perfectly integrated with each other. It's really an example for numerous cities in China, but I think it's also an example, a model for the rest of the world.
I think Sheiamn has a very good vision, but also progress, how they did the mangrove parks, also the bridges and the mountain sea trail for hiking. All those things contribute not just to the prosperity of society, but also for the well-being of people. I think it's very natural for Sheiamn to be like a highlight for other cities, nationally or internationally.
At this time, I was able to learn specifically and in detail, go around Sheiamn and see the beautiful environment. Was able to see the modern development and also the happy life of people living here. So it was very impressive to me. Being a port city, a seaside city, their work on the protection of water is certainly something that the rest of the world, especially those countries or cities that are located along the ocean, they can certainly learn from the mangrove forests to their lakes, protection. And so I think it's something that other countries can learn from.